Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on a Leviton Smartswitch. Now you might need to do this if the switch stops communicating with the app or with your phone, if it stops connecting, stops responding. Any kind of issues like that, a lot of them can be fixed with a hard reset. Now this will restore the factory default settings, which means that you're going to have to go ahead and then set everything back up again. But if you're having issues, this will fix a lot of them, and it's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is to come in on this switch, and we're going to press the on, which is the top part. We're just going to press it. But instead of just hitting it to turn on, we're going to press and hold it. And we're going to continue to hold it for 14 seconds. Once the 14 seconds is up, the light should flash orange. The indicator light should flash orange. We can let go. And then you're going to want to go in to the app or whatever that you're using it on and delete it off of the app and then reinstall it to the app. And you'll be able to set it up like it was when you first got it when it was new. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.